morning routine, guys. It's man. Yeah. See, we had stretch out nothing. Now look for see how Mario gone. So how come you left me asleep and you wake me up? Eh? Yeah, yes, it did. And now we blow up in the entire week. So come and just get up, Yeah. Look out over the stuff you see if you drop off. Come here one big bang one last night, Fix up your pillow them, Yeah. So you can sit down up in my bed. Come go turn on the TV, you have to see what they on the news. And if you go see how whether if me can go out the door, even put one two out there. Go on the phone, go on Instagram and Snapchat. And you just scroll through and they post yeah. Just did they and a scroll. Ray. They on social media. We hype. Did they watch whatever they funny. And I like up a picture them. About the mat out of me eye. Why be on the blanket? Yeah. Kupani stretcher. Come out of bed. Ray kupani leg there. And shiny. Time to make up your bed, before Mario come see, make up fast. Now guys, time for turn now on dopey. Just the process I go slowly. Yeah, coupon it up here, fam. Now time for crub you off with this, yeah. The spring brush just and we come off in a 5 seconds, Spring brush I best, man. Just watch me me turn dopey and then I go undopey myself. I play some tune now so me can like bubble and bubble. Hey, did the wine. Meanwhile me undopey myself. Yeah. Hey, See she there use her phone as mic and a real man there. Yeah. Catch ya. She a feeling music. Yeah. Yes. Side to side. Yes. Now time for me to start undoping myself, guys. Just I take the spring brush and I rub it around my face, Just to take off all of the dopiness that come in. I want it upon there. You have to come off somewhere. Some of the study I try crub you out. With one tough brush to make you come off. Guys, I don't want to tear it up if you ever, man. So you just have to go try. Take you off. And when I'm done, I go look, my face I go look like one baby soft body, Go honey, hey, we did sing and I look and I hurry. And we just see the vibe. Yeah. Wow. See me, I will fix up your ear, make sure say, twirl up in your eyebrows, and next thing say you go come out. Yeah, vibe. And we did hey. Come like me, I want audience in your sign. I said, one answer, guys. Me there, me a bubble, me I want vibe, Anytime you come here, sir, a fun you go have, Yes, sir. Yes. You see, me a undopey myself, Me turn myself in a dopey, and me a take you away. Yes. Now time for me to just wash you off and go on. We did just a vibe and a listen and wine, cause what you have to say, we not nothing to do. Not nothing else to do, so you just have to vibe, cause you don't want to be bored. So you just sit there and play a little tunes and you wash your face. Alright, catch me there. Yeah. Falling lips and I'm a rub it around, so come off. Come in and want it, it's so go touch up my beautiful lip, man. And next thing I know, I say, let them go chop up. Then go chop and we need to put some, so honey, cause nobody no wanna chop lip, Nobody no wanna see a girl with no chop lip too, well, them have to nice and plump up, man. Time for me to go brush my teeth on it now, white and nice. You see how they look like pearly white? Yeah. Every morning, brush the teeth and make sure they clean and nice. Because if you take care of your teeth, make them look like mine. See your man them look like pearly white. My teeth look white. You could have never imagined. You know, say they are. You know, we have to brush my teeth hard because now we have to go pat off your face and take off all the water. Because I don't want to swell up like one pumpkin and then you bust the pumpkin and a pure water you see come out. Yeah. Now you see me and touch my eyebrow them to make sure so they look better, you know. Put some lotion on the skin to make sure so me not start crack like oh you crack egg. Yeah. Now you just have to rub me and make sure so your skin soft and pretty, you know. Cause if you're not soft, why? Cooper Annabelle, cheese and peace. You know see me head? Lord Jesus, come like two snake, depani. Two snake. Now, you know, me I gotta put on, me I gotta work out, you know, I do the up yeah. You tell me if you do it and, you know, I slim down and look nice and belly just go down flat. So, you know what I'm saying? And hobby come home, you know, man. I look nice and slim down for him, you know. Yeah. So, me I gotta do this, hopefully me can last. Strap up your belly. Make sure say it get little and mega nice. Put on 2 waistband. Yes. In a 5 minutes, you know, my belly will flat down. Alright. You see, we are get ready. Yes. Do that bicycle. 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 Yeah. Crunch. Yeah. Push up. No, plank. If you say, how can I? Yes. Work pon the body. Yes. What kind of weird style is? I want weird son that you know. Yes, let's go and do the crunch them. Yeah, have them and come here and get some more down. Look on my belly, oh it a good down. Yeah. Oh, you know I'm kinda tired but you see that? You know I'm still do it thing, you know, I'm still go on, you know. Oi, yeah. Oh. Go on, 1, 2, yeah, side to side. Yes, yeah. Oh, it's me tired now. Yeah. Take a deep break. You know, the half I work out on me, I sweating a man. See sweat? Boy, cup on my belly maga down. You see it? Whoa! Wait till me take this off. My waist go nice and you know get that hourglass body and the belly go flat. Catch it. Wait, our what is what after it's all said it a work and make my belly go down. Some of those, you know, but I have to be it. Some smell nice, yeah, change my clothes. I know me I just my eyebrow them cause you know you have to look good, you know. You can't just work out and be done up because stuff look good, you know, man. If you don't look good, my girl, you go feel good. You know? Hold on, upon that. So I'm gonna drop comment tired. I'm gonna sing with the brush and whoa, and with the vibe and you know? What I say I would fun time. Yes. Now me I go beat myself, you know. Catch it. We are wipe up with face with something we not even know, you know, man. And I put it under your eye, you know. And we put it everywhere. Yeah, and we just see they are bubbling and whoa, side to side. Yes. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. But that's our vibe, you know, man. Nobody can come, you know, ruin we session and we have vibe, you know. Nobody can come this way and say, what you do? And what you say, my girl, and see me a vibe. Yeah. Dopey a come in. You see it a come back for. I will make it a come back. You don't see it? After me wash my face and the dopey a come back. Boy. Oh my. We just have vibe. You know, we just make it pass on time and we did have vibe. You know, no, don't think about the dopey a come back right now. And you know, we are seeing breaking news, you know, man. Right next to that. Yeah. Whoa. You see that? You see how we look them look nice and plump. Yeah. And our eyelash them a look pan fleek, you know, them eyebrow they, you know. Wait, so what kind of magic you do? What kind of magic happen? Oh, at least we take away dopey door. You know, look nice and hot and young and a man. No girl can't test this in a youth. I'm telling that Annabella come back.
See, I finished my hair. Yeah. Guys, enjoy this video of my morning, my quarantine morning routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and please turn your notification on to be notified every time the William family uploads a new video. And I guess I will catch y'all in the next one. Stay blessed, y'all.
First, I know this is really love, cause baby, me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.